guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wanelle. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. On this channel we do a lot of makeup, hair, DIYs and home decor content. So today I'm bringing you guys a DIY slash home decor content video, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, all of the links to the items that you guys see in my dining area, I mean not all of them, but most of them are going to be linked down below in the description box. Make sure you check it out just in case if you want to purchase anything that I have. Okay, and I also wanted to apologize to you guys for my camera if it was like going in and out of focus, and that is because I did not remove the camera from out of autofocus. So that's why every time I move it will autofocus and it try to refocus and stuff like that. So I apologize for that. So to clean my surface area, I'm going to be using Windex, and it's been a long time since I really cleaned my dining room table. When I say clean, I mean like removing everything off the table and like wiping it down. It's been a long time, so yes. Alright guys, so the star of the show is my curtain holdback that I got off of Amazon. It came in like an antique gold color, which I didn't like, so I decided to spray paint it. And the spray paint I'm using, as you can see, is the Rust-Oleum metallic gold color. I think it already has like a primer in it, so you don't have to prime. So I really love this gold spray because I love gold. So as you can see from the video, I love gold accents, so I just didn't like the color, so I had to spray paint it gold. I'm now done with my dining table. I'm going to move on to cleaning my two-door cabinet. And like I told you guys before, I'm going to be linking all of these things down below in the description box. But I also wanted to mention to you guys that you see that vase right there, I'm going to be changing it out, and I'm going to be putting something different, like a different vase and some different flowers. You know, I just want to change it up just a little bit, you know, so it looks different as compared to what it always looked like. And that is the vase I was telling you guys about previously. And those flowers, I got those flowers from Hobby Lobby. They're so pretty. They're all white, but it has like an iridescent color to it. If you feel it, it feels very, very soft. It looks like it has like snowflakes on there, but it's artificial, but it's really, really pretty. When it comes to decorating my vases with flowers, I tend not to cut the stem, because you never know when you want to change it out to putting the flowers in like a taller vases. You can always like straighten out the stem, so you do not want to cut it. Always bend it, because the artificial flowers always have like wire and stem attached to it, so you can always bend it to fit the desired size of the vase that you're working with. So it's always best to do it that way instead of cutting it with like a flower cutter. So I do not cut my stem, I just bend it to fit the size of the vase. And if I want to use the flower in another vase that is taller than what I'm working with, I can just, straighten out the stem. I hope that makes sense.